All right, so we're gonna go over, Kevin has a draw on all of his shots. It's a really nice shot shape. We're kind of talking about exactly why and how that happens, because then we can talk about what causes a draw, what causes a fade, and what needs to happen in order to do it. Just a little bit. Again, he's a good player. He knows all basic principles. I asked him kind of, and he was getting into like what his body does to do it, but as far as just the principles itself, I'm just gonna teach him with alignment aids. Kev, go ahead and take the video. So exactly, Kevin, like, I know you're holding a camera, it's kind of awkward, but I'm gonna lay these forward here, and I'm just, this is what's happening. So when you hit a push shot with your draw, your miss is just kind of a push right, straight. Pretend that this right here is your address line, okay? So come a little closer because it might not be able to hear a little bit. Here's your address line, okay? This is the importance of having a good address. So honestly, with your golf swing, everything I notice is you keep everything pretty dang square, and that's important, okay? You always, the better we can keep our toe line with our hip line and our shoulder line, as I hit myself, the better it is, the better chances we'll have to have everything correlated so I can have a perfect straight shot, or a little draw, whatever it is we do. So if we hit a straight shot and it went dead straight at our target, it just means that our club path was on the same line as our face, as well as, and that's basically it. So when we hit different shots, it means that our club path is going to be different than our face angle. So again, we have our address line. Let's say that this right here is aiming towards, just let's say the second post out there. That's where it's fallen. So then we have a club path. Let's say that this is our club path, which is exactly what you're doing, okay? You're having an inside to outside club path, but your face, and what causes a draw, is your face is actually aiming right here. Just about, maybe a little open to what your actual address position is. Make sense? So what that does is that cuts across the ball, starting it out here, but letting it fall back into place in there. So when we miss a shot, it's because our face angle is exactly in line with our club path. And that's why we push right and it just goes directly right. Again, what would have happened is if my face angle was exactly in line with my address and my club path is coming out this way, that ball would start directly at the target, and then it would draw out and it would lose on the left side. Make sense? So for you hitting a draw, this is exactly what's going on in your swing. Now can you imagine, more like that probably, now can you imagine what happens when you hit a fade? Same thing, right? So that's what's going on in your swing. Did you know that?
Absolutely.
Absolutely not.